green light, open skies, new dreams calling out my name. Quiet road, steady days, feels like everything's in place. Taking steps, moving slow, found a space where futures grow. This is a place to begin, where comfort meets tomorrow, a home to live in today, with value that will follow. With team and my beans, the Brgy see reality. I choose peace, I choose growth, I choose something true. This is my place. This is Maple Tree. Doors are open, hearts are wide.